we are going to see how to create custom maps in Tableau. Hybrid office is the new normal these days. That means desk is shared between employees. But the problem is, when you go to office, you would have two questions. Would a desk be available? Which one is my desk? The solution is the map. Before we get into Tableau, there are 3 steps we need to prepare. Number 1, create a background image. Number 2, add point coordinates for the locations of interest. An Excel sheet is prepared that shows the location of desk. Then prepare a shared worksheet to allow employees to book the spot as per their convenience. Now we have completed all the 3 steps. Let's open Tableau. Open the Excel file, Office Booking. Drag the cabin location table to the pan. This table shows the X and Y coordinates for each desk. Drag the booking table. The noodle represents the default relationship between the tables. Oh, there is a warning here. Let's fix it by matching the fields. Now all set. Let's go to the worksheet and rename it as Office Map. The first thing to do here is to drag the dates to the pages shelf and select the exact date option. This creates a separate page for each date. Next, bring the X and Y coordinates to the column and row shelf. Change both to dimension. Now, let's add the background image. Enter the axis range, minimum and maximum labels. The image is visible, but it is not a full image. Let's fix the axis. Our employees are our stars. So let's change the shape of the symbol to star and increase the size a little bit. All we need to do now is to drag the employees field to the labels mark. Increase the font size to make it easy to read. Now it's time to clean up. Let's declutter. Why is one star without a name? Maybe no one booked the spot. Let's add a filter to remove stars at that spot that are not taken. Axes are not adding values to the map now, so let's remove them. Next is to direct the employee's attention to the most important part of the data, the date. So let's make it clear and noticeable. This map not only helps employees to book their spot, but also helps to know who is sitting beside. It's better to start a conversation like, "Hi Malini, I'm Krishnan," rather than asking, "Sorry, what's your name?" Fun apart. This is all employee needs. But the manager wants more. She wants to know the project status of each employee so that she can focus on those employees to provide the required support. A special sheet is required for the manager. Let's create a relationship between the booking and the project status table. Go back to the sheet. Let's drag the status to the colors mark. Change the color palette. Wow, it's ready now. We can also run an animation. Now we have created the custom map for the hybrid office. It's true. The maps in Tableau is limited only by your imagination. We will place all the related data in the description. You may explore them. Thank you. Keep exploring. Learning is fun.